guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. I hope everybody's doing well. Thank y'all for dropping into this video. I wanted to share with y'all today a new project that I have. I have never done one of these, I don't think. Oh Lord, if I did, I don't think I've ever done a glue book, but that's what this is. I saw all my friends, all my creative friends out there, Carla and Madeline and just a bunch of folks, Amber at Thrifty Journal Shop, doing glue books this year. And I could not hardly stand it. I had to try. So I've had in my collection, well, first of all, let's talk about this bow, huh? Isn't this fabulous? This is fun ribbon. This is ribbon that Leslie had in her stuff because she has her Christmas stuff in my attic. So Leslie, I hope you don't mind, but I swiped some of this ribbon. I'm going to have to take this is nylon. This is not wire. I'm going to have to take some of this nylon out. But anyway, I had in my collection this, just picked it up from a thrift shop, this Christmas with Southern Living from the 80s, 1985. And I saw Madeline do some glue books. I think I saw Madeline, and I don't know how to pronounce her last name. Every channel that I mention, I'm going to link in the description box. But if y'all are not following Madeline, you're missing out. I promise you. Please go follow Madeline. Saw Madeline, then I saw Carla do some glue books this year, and she does them every year too. And Amber, of course, Amber is the queen of the big, large size books to begin with. Love what Amber does with all her books. But I really couldn't hardly stand it. I said, it just inspired me so much, really and truly. That's the honest to goodness truth, that I just had to try it. And so I did. And so I tried to keep this one very, very simple because it just not a lot of tucks and tags and interactive things. It is a glue book meant for someone to keep their memories in. You know, their holiday memories. And I know I love this cover. And I'll share something with y'all. I have since gone out and purchased almost the entire 1980s line of the Southern Living books because this 1980s series, they all have this cream-colored background with the vibrant colors of something. One is like Christmas cookies. The other is like toys. Then they have another one with, like this is ribbons. I think they have another one with bows on it. It's just a fabulous decade of Southern Livings. I love the covers. So let's get into just a very simple 2-signature. I think there's 10 or 12 pages, I think. But I tried to keep this simple. I did do some gold stitching. And then on the signatures, I put some little word bead words on here. Ho, 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 jingle bells, and Santa is the other one. Kept that pretty simple. Yeah, let's flip through real quick. I don't want to keep y'all too long. I know everybody's busy, right? I know I am. Goodness gracious, I am. Everything's going good, though, here in our household. I can't complain. Everything's wonderful. So this is just really to cover up this. I wanted to keep this page, but I didn't like what was on this page, so I just covered it. Some Charlie Brown, got that idea, stole that right from Madeline. Right, straight up, stole it. I know y'all call it inspired, but okay. I copied Madeline on that one. No doubt about it. No doubt it. More cardstock. This is just a manila envelope that I cut down that side of it and put this is the inside of a card. In fact, it's the other side of this. Yeah. Like I said, not a lot of tucks, not a lot of tags, but I put some in. Just some Monopoly money, and it just reminded me of little Sally here with her money. She just wanted Santa to send her money. did a little tuck here. This is the actual spine. I was going to include that in the book. I don't know if it's too late to sell it though. You know what I mean? Like everybody else had theirs out like a couple weeks ago, so it may be too late to even try and sell them this year. If anybody's interested, y'all just email me and let me know, but I wasn't, this is just a flip through. This was not about selling the journal, but I mean, I will sell it, just, yeah, but I probably, my thought is this. This was the first one that I did, and I told you earlier that I've ordered like the whole 1980s line. So I'm thinking that next year I'll be prepared with a whole line of these books to sell. So, and well in advance of Christmas. So that's kind of what my thought was. But like I said, if y'all are interested in getting this one, just email me. Just did this, the middle of the signature as heavyweight copy paper that I pieced together but folded over. Give you some sturdiness there. This is out of a craft book. I thought he was cute. Some matte page. Isn't this vintage stuff pretty? I love all that. Again, this is out of a big floral coffee table book, but I like the page size and the page itself. Big card. I got these from Angela the Traveling Crafter a long time ago. I'm going through my Happy Mail stash because I've hoarded Happy Mail now for over a year. And I know this is kind of early, but one of my 2025, and I hate to call them resolutions because I don't really do resolutions, but one of the things that I would like to work on in 2025 is using the Happy Mail that people send me, you know? So that, yeah, I'm bad for hoarding stuff. This is out of this book. So if you wind up purchasing, if anybody, and like I said, even next year, I'll have a package of pages ready to go for this book. I didn't close the end of this either on purpose, so you could come down at the end too. This is out of a big little golden book with a bunch of different little golden book stories in it. Loved it. You know how long I've been looking for that? Like all day. I swear, all day long. That's my glue top of my little glue bottle. Lordy. So just the other side of that manila envelope. Little bingo Santa. And then just threw a couple of, like I said, this was not really preparing to sell. I just wanted to show you, give you an example of what you could put in here. Did this little moment right here. This is a large card. It's really not to write on the back, but you could put some paper on the back if you wanted to. And that's just out of a The Night Before Christmas storybook, little golden book. I love this. I thought this was beautiful. Who has candles that tall? Not me. My candles are not nearly that tall. We were decorating this weekend, though. Usually, y'all, let me tell you something. Usually, by Thanksgiving, the whole house is done. Yeah, even like Ross, my honey, he does the outside. He even has his stuff done. But this year, we were a little late. My schedule's been a little bit different because I'm working out of town part of the week now. So with that travel and overnight stays, it's just taken me a minute to kind of get used to this new schedule. I'm not quite used to it, but I'll get used to it. It's fine, and it's really good. My work life is really good right now. I am enjoying it immensely. This is a little pocket. I was going to put something right here. I need to try to remember to do that. Christmas bouillon. How about that? Not fun. Big pocket. This is out of a different type of storybook. I forget what storybook this is, but I just love the colors. I thought that was so pretty. Out of a little sticker here. Isn't that fun? I thought that was fun. These are big placemats, actually. This one too. This is a big placemat. So it's a little thin, but I thought he was so cute. He's huge. That's some drawing paper. And then again, the signature is the cardstock. And just out of that Night Before Christmas story, little golden book. This is the other side of Santa. It says beard. And then a little tuck here out of that placemat. All in all, looks like I need to glue right here. I'll glue that down. All in all, this was a lot of fun. And I can see where people say doing these are like making these kinds of books is fun, because the majority of time is really spent, well, not the majority, maybe, is looking for the pages. And so that process for me, going through all my books and finding pages for the book, was like really a lot of fun. That's a lot of fun to me. Get to the different textures, the different visuals. I love all that. I didn't put anything on this, and I didn't put anything on this. Like I said, just a straight, real memory glue book. Not a lot of tucks, not a lot of tags. But if you're interested in buying it, I'll put a little package together of different things, you know, fabrics and papers and things like that. It won't be tags or anything like that. It will let you take care of that. Anyway, that's really what I wanted to show you guys. I'm hoping, like I said, I'm hoping that next year I can have a whole line of these ready for the holiday season. And kind of have my act a little more together than I did this year. Not that the holidays crept up on me. They didn't. It was just life just got a little crazy here right before the holidays for me. And that's okay, because like I said, life is good. And I am so very blessed right now. And you guys are really a big part of that blessing. And I do appreciate each and every one of you that have stopped in and watched this video, and you know, all of you guys that comment and encourage me. I do appreciate y'all a lot. So I'm going to end it here, guys. Thank you very much for stopping in. And remember what I always say. I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I had creating this, my first holiday glue book. Thanks, guys, and we'll chat soon. Bye.